So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. This video right here is going to reveal to you an amazing strategy you can use to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers without actually using any link right here. And this is going to be an amazing one, as you can actually use this strategy to get up to hundreds and thousands of leads to your CPA marketing offers. So if you want to learn this strategy, stick on, watch the video, learn and utilize this strategy to make money like how I'm making right now. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online. And if you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that can actually help you out right here. You would also make sure you subscribe to the channel and your notification bell is turned on all, so that you do get alerted whenever I release videos that will help you right here on this channel right now. So guys, with that being said and no more delay of time, let's dive right into the video of today. So the first thing which you actually want to get done is to get an account created on the CPA marketing platform like CPAGRIP right here. I prefer using this platform because this is one of the best CPA marketing platforms out there. You can just simply click on register. You'll be brought to this page where you just need to provide the basic details on all fields having these red asterisk signs. As you can see right here, it says the signs indicate the required field you must fill out before your account can get created. So focus on that field or fields having that sign right now and get an account created right there. You could agree to the terms of service by clicking these boxes right now. If you do check these boxes like this, you'll be agreeing to the terms of service. If you want to just simply take out time to read through that terms of service, you will be brought to this section. Click on this section right now and be brought to the page where you can actually do see the terms of service. Once you are done, click on register now, and you might be actually required to go on to verifying your email address. Do that and get an account created. So guys, you want to just simply log into your account and you want to come onto the offers page where you can see a lot of offers to utilize. To get to this page, come onto this section, click on offer tools. Once you select that option right now, select my offers and be brought to this page right now. Make sure you do filter your offers to get offers from the United States, because most of the traffic sources we're actually going to be utilizing get most of its traffic from platforms like the United States, or demographic like the United States right now. You can see right here, these are actually all United States offers right here that you can go on to promoting. These are actually lots of cool, amazing United States offers you can utilize. This offer right here is a sweepstake offer that gives away about $10,000 right now. You can see more details about the offer, that your lead needs to be using an Apple iOS device to submit their email address or zip code using this your unique affiliate link, and they actually do and you actually do get paid $2.22, and they actually stand a chance of winning this amount right here. So basically, this is a cool sweepstake offer you can actually utilize right now. All you need to do is to copy the link to this particular offer and head on to creating a simple landing page. You can use platforms like the breezy.io to create a landing page, the Google site, or other landing page builder sites out there. And guys, let me just simply show you this landing page which I created. I'm going to show you how to, or that is promoting multiple CPA marketing offers. This is a very cool landing page I created earlier that is showing or promoting multiple CPA marketing offers right now. As you can see right here, it's promoting 3 offers just at the same time. You can just simply create something similar to this using the Google site right now. And guys, if you're finding it difficult creating something like this, all you need to do is to head on to my channel right now called OJ Marketing. You want to just simply click on this search icon, not this one right here. If you do click on this search icon and type in landing page, so once you do type in landing page right now, guys, you will be shown a lot of videos I created for you that could help you go on to creating simple landing pages. This right here is a video that is going to show you how you could just simply create a landing page to promote multiple CPA marketing offers using a Google site right now. This is actually for the systemy.io. This is for Google site also. This is for the Webflow, and you can actually see more landing page builder sites out there. This one right here is actually for the breezy.io right now. So just simply take your time and check out those videos right there, as they will just simply show you or teach you how to create simple landing pages right now. And guys, once you do create a landing page and link that to your CPA marketing offer, as you can see, there are more CPA marketing offers you can utilize that are actually sweepstake offers right there. This is actually $100 giveaway towards Wingstop. This is for $1,000 cash giveaway. This is for $2,500 cash giveaway. So there are a lot of giveaway offers you can utilize right now. Once you've actually done that right there and created a simple landing page, go on to copy the link to your landing page. And since we're not actually going to be utilizing the link to promote our offer, instead you want to just simply go on to generating a QR code using that link right now. And you just want to head onto this platform called qrcodegenerator.com. And with this platform, guys, you want to just simply paste in that particular link right here, and it's going to convert that link into your QR code. As you can see right now, all you need to do is to select the frame you want to use for your QR code and just simply click on download. And in a matter of some seconds right now, that particular QR code will be downloaded on my device right now. So when that QR code has actually been downloaded on my device, the next thing which you actually want to do right now is to head onto platforms like canva.com to go on to creating a simple video right now. So I'm just going to head on to Canva and create a simple video right here for this particular platform. And you want to just simply go onto the video section. If you do go onto video section right now, you want to go on to selecting the mobile video right here, and that's actually going to take you to a page where you can actually start creating your mobile video based on your preference right now. So basically, it's quite easy to create a video with this platform. All you need to do is to head onto the element section, and maybe I want to just simply create videos on weight loss. I'm just going to come right here and type in weight loss. And if I do type in weight loss right now, I'll be able to see some cool videos by going onto the video section right here. There are some cool videos that you can actually help you go on to creating, or you can go on to utilizing right now. So supposing I want to utilize this video right here, I'm just going to drag this right now and drop in this section. You can see the entire duration of the video is 32 seconds. I'm just going to go on to shortening this right now, and once I do shorten this right here, as you can see, this has actually been shortened. Or you want to just simply go into searching for any kind of niche of your choice, such as make money online. If I do search for make money online, guys, you'll be able to see a lot of cool videos you can go on to utilizing right here. These are actually a lot of cool videos I could utilize to my preference right now. So maybe I want to use a video like that instead. I'm just going to drag this one right here and drop in this particular section. So if I drop this right here, as you can see, that has actually been dropped in that section. I can actually reduce the duration of the video right here, maybe to 5 seconds right now. Once I reduce that right here, I'm going to just simply add in a text right at the head, at the top. But in adding a text, you can just simply go back right now and add in the element section. Maybe you want to add in a shape. I'm just going to add in a shape like square. If I do add in that right now, I'm just going to just drag this to the top and stretch this right here to look like this. So right now I'm just going to drag the text and bring to this section. Then I could just simply put in something like scan code for giveaway. And if I type in something like this, I'm going to go on to reducing the font size so as to make it quite looking better right here, and actually going to drag taking this to this section. So once that is done, go on to the upload section, and that particular QR code which you downloaded, come right here and upload it on this particular platform. So if I do click on upload right now, the QR code is actually going to be uploaded. If I select that right here, as you can see, it's going through the uploading phase. Select the QR code and actually reduce the size to that QR code and bring that to somewhere here like this. So once this has actually been done right now, you can see right here, if I do play the video, it's actually going to go on to showing throughout the entirety of the video right now. This is how cool this actually looks like right here. So basically what you want to do right now is that once this is actually done, maybe I can adjust it better right now to something like this. You can see how cool it looks like. Once this is actually done right here, click on share and actually go on to downloading this particular video on your device. So if I do go on to downloading the video on my device right now, as you can see, it's going through the downloading phase right now. Once the video has actually been downloaded, you then want to just simply try as much as possible to head on to social media platforms out there and actually go on to uploading that video. So I'm going to be utilizing this platform right now, which is called Pinterest.com. This is actually an amazing platform you want to just simply grab hold of, because with this platform you can get lots of traffic to your CPA marketing offers, as Pinterest right here, based on similar web statistics, got about 3.2 billion visits in the last 3 months right now. That's from the month of August 2023 to the month of October, and most of this traffic comes from the United States right there. As you can see, they come from top tier countries like the United States, India, United States, Russia, Brazil, India, and Indonesia, and a very high percentage come from the United States, which is why I selected the United States offer at the first place. So basically what you want to do is to just simply head onto this platform and actually go on to creating a simple pin by actually clicking on create pin right now. Once you do that right here, you just need to go on to uploading that particular video which you actually downloaded. I'm just going to click on this upload icon, select the video right now. As you can see, the video is actually being uploaded, and you can see right here, this is how the video is going to look like right now. So basically what you want to do right here is to just simply go on to adding a very simple title to this right here, because I'm focusing on the make money online niche, putting something related to that particular niche, add a cool description. In this particular link section, you're also going to add in the link to your landing page right there. In the board, create a board about that particular niche right now which you are focusing on, and actually going to add in some cool tags that can help you go on to getting this particular post discoverable by a lot of individuals right now. Then you could go on to publishing this on this platform. So it is quite easy to do this right now, get a lot of cool traffic to your CPA marketing offers right now. You could also go on to utilizing other social media platforms out there like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and since this is actually a portrait video, you're actually going to fit into platforms like that, as maybe short videos like Instagram Reels, Facebook stories, or Facebook Reels, and other kinds of stuff right there. So utilize this right now, get a lot of traffic to your offers, and make some cool cash online. If the video was helpful, don't forget to go onto my channel, to like the video, smash the subscribe button to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is turned on all. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.